Hey there, it's ChemCoach Powers, and I just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of content, doing some reaction videos, just because reaction videos are interesting. All right, so I'm going to watch this thing. I just looked at it and like, oh, I got to see that. Thought I'd do it with with you guys in mind. So here we go. Let's watch this world's largest RC paper airplane. Will it fly? I don't know. Let's find out. Here we go.
World record for the world's largest remote control paper airplane.
Check it out.
Today we have a fun little project going.
A fun big project, actually.
It's actually pretty big. So last time, you guys probably remember, we made these awesome paper airplanes that were not only really cool RC, but
cool.
Honestly, I think I had just as much, if not more fun,
paper
just chucking
airplanes
this
in
thing
my
in a
room,
glider.
but
it was one of those things, honestly,
if
you
I
guys
had
can
to
do
have
at
a
home
paper
with your
airplane
kids,
flying in my
and
room,
it's incredibly affordable and
something
incredibly
like
easy
this.
to do, and they're durable.
Yeah, they fly
At
great
least
too.
you're
So
making
today what we're going to be doing
right?
is we're taking this concept, and as
regular
you
old
guys
paper
know,
airplane,
we
you're
love to
so
do this,
annoying,
is we're
but
scaling it up
making one of
big,
these,
but not just big.
yeah.
We're going to be breaking
cool.
the world record,
Even with
or
a
at least
teacher.
what
At
we
least a
believe is the
teacher.
world record.
Yeah.
This guy, awesome guy on YouTube, we'll put a link down to his video below. It's pretty old. I think it's like 5 or 6 years old now, but he did the world record largest RC paper airplane.
Yes.
Not just
That's
paper airplane,
so
but
cool.
RC paper airplane. And today we're going to be breaking it.
So looking on the internet,
That's
we found this
crazy.
crazy monstrosity that's much bigger than what we're going to build, but it was actually a free flight paper airplane that weighed like 800 pounds that they had to tow up with a helicopter.
800-pound
And like
paper
watching it, I don't think it
airplane.
even
Come
really
on.
flew. They just like showed it like kind of flying, but they never
and
really.
then just kind of nosedive.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of really cool, huge paper airplane projects
That
on
one is not
YouTube,
doing
both
so well.
RC
That
and
one's
free
going
flight.
down.
So how big are we talking here, Josh? This
We're talking about a 12-foot length and about a 6-foot wingspan. So
This is
not
a 17-minute
absolutely the
video.
biggest
I
thing
am
we've
not
ever
gonna
built
be
before,
working with
but I
that,
think
so
its
let's just
presence in the
kinda
air is
go
gonna be really
through
cool. And the cool
building, blah,
Oh,
blah,
that's
blah,
awesome.
building.
You can use all your devices at once.
Watch it on your own.
chance is if we do 2 C motors, what's your
Okay, come on, let's get to the good stuff.
times, whether it's making temp.
Okay, we'll watch you later. I want to see
We
this thing
get
fly. Come on.
We may have to build this thing all over again. So.
Well, I can try to chuck it maybe, but you want to help me throw? You want me to throw? And then Bob, if you want to go down with
I
Josh.
bet it doesn't go out the door.
Oh, yeah.
I bet that's what we just missed.
Just in case it goes far.
I'm going to chase it. He's always ready with his claw.
That guy
I'm
is
wondering.
a
We
drone.
probably would be better off doing it from like right here. But if you look, we have a couple obstacles. We have a water hazard, just like a real golf course, to the right. Picnic tables down below. Flagpole, right in the middle of the flight
Hit the
path.
flagpole.
All right, bro. So what I'm gonna do here, okay?
This doesn't feel right.
doesn't feel good. So what I'm gonna do here, okay? I'm gonna get down here like this. Okay, I'm gonna get on this side.
Okay.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna just do a hop, hop, and chuck, and I'm gonna get the heck out of the way.
Probably not gonna
Okay?
be that good.
Yeah.
I feel pretty good about that.
See it, boys.
All right. But you have to tell me 1, 2, 3, and then on 3 you go. Cause you see this thing? This rod's gonna hit me in the face.
Oh, I didn't even think about that rod. It's gonna crush me.
So,
Gotta go higher.
all right, you ready?
So I'm gonna let go on 3.
Yeah.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Nice.
Woo! We did
That
it!
was very uneventful.
That
It
was
worked.
cool. Hey,
But the fact that it
was
didn't
cool.
hit a tree, it didn't hit a pole.
I mean,
was
come
great.
on.
It
Who
didn't
else has
glide
done that in
nearly-
the world, right? Not many people.
The commitment level on
I
Bob.
was gonna catch it. He's like, watch out!
Why do we think it was a good idea to try to?
All right. Let's see what
This
you
is probably
got.
the smallest motors for the biggest plane. I think we just gotta put her in there and see what happens.
Gotta put her in the air. I'm just gonna chug her.
You just check it. Okay, well, we're at Ready Board Runway. What I want you to do is throw me to a ready-made RC runway because I think that's kind of where the wind is, but also, if I have to bail, I can just go straight.
Yeah, there's no
So,
trees that
yeah,
way, right?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, well, sir,
Let's do
good
it.
luck, sir. Here we go.
All right. Watch the motors.
I got it.
Got it?
All right, he's got it.
Get
All
to it.
right.
All right, so where's the best way to launch this,
That's
David?
pretty good. That's pretty good. Give me a little bit. No time. One more time.
Okay, like this.
Run
I'm
and
pointing you
chuck,
right out
that's the
this
best way
way.
to
Yeah,
launch.
yeah. Are you clear from the props?
Oh my goodness, it looks
Can I
ridiculous.
hold
Cool,
from
those
here?
props
No.
are moving in the
Yeah,
back.
yeah, sure.
Okay.
It's
You
got
ready?
these little blades
Yeah,
underneath.
here we go.
Oh my goodness! Get up, go,
Yes!
go, go! Nice.
She's not overpowered.
That's so
It's
cool.
also not turning to save its life.
And
It's
you
not
turn
for
it.
altitude.
So you're just getting out there. Just get it out there. What's going on right now?
That thing's amazing.
Nose
It's turning a
going
little there.
down.
Maybe.
Do you have any? Do you have any up?
Oh,
Oh,
come
gotta
on
get that
back.
thing
Come
stuck
on
in the
back,
tree.
Come on, back, baby. Come on, come on.
It's
It's really far away.
How far away? Am I on the yet?
You're over.
No.
No, you're not to the road yet. You're
Please
good.
don't go on top of the tree.
That's
Oh,
so
it's
cool.
angling right into the.
You're good. No, you're going between the trees. You're good. Keep climbing.
Oh my God!
You're there, dude.
You're
Keep
fine.
going.
Oh my
Keep
God!
going. Keep
Come
climbing.
on,
Keep
come
climbing.
I am a full
You're
throttle.
good. It looks like a big.
Yeah, pretty epic music. Oh, look at the happiness on their faces. It's beautiful.
I know. I had FPVs, so
If you didn't
All
tell
right,
me
so
where
how
you
does
were,
this have
I
to do
would
anything
not
with
have known.
chemistry?
you went right between the gas.
Chemistry of gases, right? How is this thing staying up? It's because there's matter. Under the wings, gases have
It's not
matter.
bad except it doesn't turn.
It looks awesome. It's like a real
I mean,
paper
that's a
airplane.
stretch,
It
but
goes
this
where
is
it wants
just
to. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, geez.
It looks so
Can you imagine
ridiculous.
getting
it's
hit
falling
head with that
quickly.
thing?
I am
Sitting
just-
there and all of a sudden,
It's like
wham!
this in the nose. Okay, we're gonna get it pointed back to us, and we're gonna land it. If we can.
Oh my
All right,
goodness.
let's see
where
the
am I at?
landing.
How far? You're good. You're above tree still. You're coming back. You're coming back. Get a little bit more altitude. You're good. We keep it a little bit level. There you go. Yes. Perfect.
He's
That
flying
was
because
awesome.
it's perfect view.
Awesome.
Perfect view
Yes.
flying.
You're perfect, Josh. Keep going. Keep it
Bring it on
level.
home,
All
Josh.
right,
Yes,
guys.
sir. Bring it on home.
Oh my
baby.
God.
Please doesn't stick.
That is
Right.
unbelievable right now. Dude.
I'm losing
oh
my marbles.
goodness.
Don't turn that way. Don't. No.
Yeah,
no.
go. You're stay a little high. Stay. You level out. Level out. You're right above the trees now, Josh.
Yeah, I can
Turn
see that.
left.
Come over.
Turn left.
It's the thing.
Oh, it won't go left.
It's
Uh-oh.
Where am I gonna hit?
Oh, you're gonna hit some trees, some big trees. You're going straight over some big trees.
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Just like a real paper airplane.
No! Sad! It's stuck in the tree!
I was so excited because I was like, it's coming back. And then it
What
just
happened to that?
Oh my God.
Oh,
It's staying there. That's
Ruined.
up there.
Oh, we're gonna go climb a tree right now.
Oh
ruined.
my gosh.
Do we have to tell Alex about this?
I don't know. He's gonna
I'm
see
sure-
it.
I was gonna
He's
say-
see it. Whether you tell him or not, he's gonna see it.
I'm coming back.
Alright, they're getting that thing out of the
The
tree.
other
Let's check
thing
it
I've
out.
flown.
Yes.
All right, so it flew great.
Awesome.
Landing hasn't happened yet, but that's okay. That's okay. I think we broke the record
Yeah.
because we didn't say the biggest paper airplane that would land.
Nope.
It was flying the biggest paper plane. We definitely did that.
And it flew.
So we did that. All right. So friends, thank you
Pretty
for being
cool.
part of the family.
Thanks for
Make sure you
watching with me.
subscribe. We're gonna be taking
That
on
was
new
fun.
challenges, new projects all the time.
ChemCoach
We'll see you
Powers,
next time.
doing another reaction video. Hope you have an awesome day.